Welcome friends to yet another session of quiz based on current affairs in English. The questions for today's quiz are: question number 1. Recently, who defeated Ehsan Heydari of Iran 6-4 to claim the inaugural Asian Snooker Tour title in April 2019? Options: Geet Sethi, Pankaj Advani, Lakshman Pai, Aditya Mehta. Your time starts now. The correct answer of this question is Pankaj Advani. India's Pankaj Advani defeated Ehsan Heydari of Iran 6-4 to claim the inaugural Asian Snooker Tour. Advani is a 21-time World Snooker and Billiards champion. Advani had earlier won the second leg of the tour in China. Question number 2. Recently, who was awarded the Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize 2019 for his novel Solo? Your options are Manoj Michigan, Kalol Lahiri, Swapna Saha, Rana Dasgupta. Your time starts now. The correct answer of this question is Rana Dasgupta. Author Rana Dasgupta was awarded the Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize 2019 for his 2010 novel Solo. It is the second edition of the Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize. The prize aims to revive poetry and books that can change lives. The prize consists of an amount of $10,000, a Tagore statue, and a certificate for contributing to literature to be given to the awardee. Question number: in which city of Egypt archaeologists have uncovered an ancient tomb with mummies believed to date back about 2000 years? Your options are Luxor, Aswan, Minya, Sohag. Your time starts now. The correct answer of this question is Aswan. In Egypt, archaeologists have discovered an ancient tomb with mummies believed to date back about 2000 years in the southern city of Aswan. The tomb is from the Greco-Roman in 332 BC. Archaeologists have found artifacts including decorated masks, vases, and coffin fragments, etc. Question number 4. Where did the 5th Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union ABU Media Summit on Climate Action and Disaster Preparedness begin in April 2019? Your options are Kathmandu, Dhaka, Beijing, Tokyo. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Kathmandu. 5th Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union ABU Media Summit on Climate Action and Disaster Preparedness began in Kathmandu on 25th April 2019. The theme of the two-day summit is Media Solutions for Sustainable Future. Saving lives building resilient communities. Question number 5. Recently in the Asian Boxing Championships, India won 2 gold medals on the last day. Amit Pangal gave India the first gold medal. The second gold medal was won by which player among the following? Your options are Simranjeet Kaur, Deepak Singh, Pooja Rani, none of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Pooja Rani. Asian Boxing Championships was held in Bangkok. India ended the event with 13 medals, 2 gold, 4 silver and 7 bronze medals. Pooja Rani in women's 81 kg category defeated the world champion Wang Lina to add to India's gold medal tally. Question number 6. Who is the newly appointed Controller General of Defence Accounts, CGDA? Your options are Vinit Sharma, Nirmal Jain, Rajendra Kumar Nayak, Tajinder Pal Singh. Your time starts now. The correct answer of this question is Rajendra Kumar Nayak. Rajendra Kumar Nayak, the 1983 batch officer of Indian Defence Accounts Service, has been appointed as the new Controller General of Defence Accounts, CGDA. Question number 7. Which leading telecommunication company of India has missed the deadline second time for the dues to be paid to Telecom Department spectrum? Your options are Tata Teleservices, Airtel, Reliance Jio, Reliance Communications. Your time starts now. The correct answer of this question is Reliance Communications. Reliance Communications has been guilty of missing second time the deadline for paying dues to Spectrum. The dues missed by RCOM were worth rupees 492 crores. With this default, RCOM has been defaulter third time in a row. Question number 8. Recently, President Donald Trump has declared withdrawal of his country from which prominent treaty? Your options are UN Arms Trade Treaty, UN Small Arms Treaty, Global Arms Trade Treaty, Nuclear Arms Control Treaty. Your time starts now. The correct answer is UN Arms Trade Treaty. During an address to the National Rifles Association on Friday, President Donald Trump declared that he was pulling the United States out of an international arms treaty signed in 2013 by the then President Barack Obama. Question number 9. Which leading pharmaceutical company's drug manufacturing plant has been audited by United States Food and Drug Administration USFDA at its Indrad facility in Gujarat? Options: Ranbaxy, Torrent Pharmaceutical, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Torrent Pharmaceutical. US FDA audited the drug manufacturing facility of Torrent Pharmaceuticals at Indrad in Gujarat. Some observations had been given by US FDA which are procedural in nature. Question number 10. Recently, the Centre has sanctioned nearly Rs 4,000 crore for various women safety projects under which fund? Your options are Nirbhaya Fund, ERSS Fund, Safe City Project, Central Victim Compensation Fund. Your time starts now. The correct answer of this question is Nirbhaya Fund. The Centre has sanctioned nearly Rs 4,000 crore in Nirbhaya Fund for various women safety projects which include financial assistance to female victims of acid attack and other heinous crimes. For practicing these questions once more, you can give the online quiz test by going to our mobile app e-Utkarsh. So today itself install the e-Utkarsh app from Play Store. Thank you.